Good evening, citizens of Ringbeller, and welcome to the news. I'm Crumbaker.
And I'm Unk.
We continue our special report on imagination, that strange energy source found on Earth that fills people with wonder and awe.
Aww.
No, not that kind of awe.
Oh, sorry.
Since grown-ups and aliens don't really mix well together.
I blame every Will Smith movie.
Even Aladdin?
We don't talk about that one.
We're partnering with kids on Earth to help us. We go live to a couple of human beings right now using their imagination for good. Take it away, guys.
Thanks, Crumbaker and Ugg. My name's Hetvi, and I'm going to sit down with a real live chef. You might have seen her on the Food Network. Her name is Maneet Chauhan. Thanks so much for sitting down with us, Miss Maneet.
Oh my God, are you kidding me? Thank you so much for talking.
As a kid, when did you first fall in love with cooking?
So my parents joked that I was born with a ladle in my hand. Food has been my obsession forever.
Where did you grow up?
I was born in India. Where were you born?
India.
Wow, we've got so much in common. That is awesome.
I've seen you on TV talking a lot about mantras. What is your mantra and when was the first time you used it?
Mantras pretty much are sayings or beliefs that you live by. I have a lot of mantras in life, but one of my biggest mantra is nothing ventured, nothing gained. You cannot live life being afraid. You have to go out, you have to take on challenges, because the only time that you're going to get these amazing big results is when you have gone and taken those risks, those challenges.
How can you be creative even if you don't have the right tools to be creative?
What are the right tools?
Like, suppose you want to make a craft and you don't have that piece of paper or like that certain type of paint.
That is where creativity is at the best. Because the most important tool for creativity is this and this. I mean, it's like chopped, right? You open a basket, there are 4 ingredients, which don't make sense most of the time. I mean, gummy bears, really? You want me to use gummy bears and you want me to make an appetizer out of it? But you see those chefs, right? They use their creativity and they always come up with solutions. The more crazy the situation is, you see the more creative you get. Life does not come with a roadmap. It does not come with, this is what's going to happen next. Life is exciting because of all the unexpected things that come your way. How you take that situation, make it your own, right? And creatively triumph over that situation. That is what creativity is all about. So, I've got to tell you what this is. This is a masala dabba or a spice box, okay? Look at how beautiful this is, right?
It looks kind of like a flower.
It does, doesn't it? But in India, each and every household has a spice box. And depending on what people like or don't like, they fill up the spice box. So even if it's the same dish that everybody is making, right? It'll taste different because of the spices that they have used. These are my favorite spices. This is how I make my life. I get the sweetness from the cardamom. I get a little bit of the spiciness from the red chili. It's a combination of everything. This is how I customize my life. This works best for me. And that's what I keep on telling everybody. Life is like a spice box and you've got to make it your own. When you'll have your spice box, you will customize it according to what your strong points are.
I can smell it from here.
I know! Isn't it amazing?
How do you practice kindness with the food you make?
Kindness, I think, is in each and every aspect of life. When people come to the restaurant, they always tell me that your team is so kind. And that is very important to me. On Saturday, I walked into the kitchen and we had one of the dishwashers who did not show up. And the one dishwasher who was there was really struggling. Okay, I rolled up my sleeve, I jumped in and I started working with him. Okay, so help before help is asked also goes a really long way.
Wow, that was great. Wasn't it, Unk?
Now, let's go to the weather. It's that time to beam up another life form from the planet Earth to tell us what the weather is like on their planet. Tractor beam. What wise and intelligent Earth substance do we have today?
Oh, please tell us, stick with rubbery dome on the bottom of it. The mysteries of your home planet.
We're not worthy. We're not worthy. Yes. Yes. Thank you for flushing that out for us.
Well, that's it here for the news on Planet Ringbeller. Join us next time when we interview a toilet paper roll. I'm Crumbaker.
And a monk telling you to be kind.
And stay different.